into it. I'm on gold right now. So what I'm going to be showing today is how I break down gold, or how I break down most of my pairs, or make different type of markets, like stocks and your indices, all that. So I'm going to show you how I do that, and I'll explain to you like how to drop zones. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I would like to normally do is like identify the type of market that I'm in and the type of structure that I have going in that complements the type of market. So right now we are in a looks like we are in an uptrend market, but we are at an area of resistance. So most likely we have gold reversing. So I'm going to just drop my levels just to make sure that I am actually giving the correct information. So I start up on a high time frame, so I don't trade gold on lower time frames. Like I have a analysis on the weekly, then I enter on the daily, because I'm a swing trader. I swing trade gold, I should say. So as we can see, I can already see that this is a reversal happening. So let's just get it going. So what I normally like to do is, when I drop my zones, I like to look at an area where price has used that area for support and resistance. And what I also like to do is, like, the more frequency, or the more touches that zone has, or that area has, the more valid it is, So I'm just trying to look out for what I'm actually talking about. So this would be my zones on the weekly. So let's drop some more zones. So okay, yeah. So it looks very, very simple, guys. I think I'm making it look too simple. Maybe not. So I'll probably just fast forward this, but as you can see, my zones consist of support and resistance levels. So I'm just looking at areas where price used for support and resistance. So when I know when price gets to that area, I will know what it will use it for. So actually, let's do this. Let's move this one actually. So I don't usually draw up all these zones, but I just normally draw zones up with relevance to price. Price is not in this area right now, but this is just how I draw my zones, and this is how I analyze every pair. Every pair I do this, I look for zones. I might have zones on a daily as well, so that I just use 2 time frames to place trades, and that's what I do with most of my trades. I just make use of 2 time frames. But okay, as you can see, these areas have been tested for support and resistance multiple times in the past and recently. So just to make my chart look nice. But as you can see, this is valid areas that has been tested for support and resistance in the past and present. So as you can see, price is at an area of resistance right now. As you can see, this area of resistance has pushed price all the way here. So I'm looking at this as price is reversing. Plus we have a reversal candlestick chart pattern right here. Looks like we have a rising wedge. We have a rising wedge on an uptrend, and a rising wedge on an uptrend is a reversal candlestick pattern. reversal chart pattern, sorry, and that signifies price changing direction, reversing all the way down. We hit an area of resistance as well, so it's like a supply zone, I would say. Price hit the supply zone up here, so it's why it's reversing all the way down. So let's go to a lower time frame. Yeah, as we can see, this was confirmed by our double top right here. So as we can see, we have our double top. I'll just make it a different color. Let's make that black. As you can see, I'll just zoom in. This was confirmed by our double top right here, and price has broken our neckline right there. So the entry would have been at the candle that actually closed below that neckline. So this would be my entry right now. I'm actually gonna place an order right here. Price should so this is me placing a live trade right now. Actually, let's create a limit order. Plus we have a huge rejection, so I'll just move my stop loss over there, just above that. Anyways, I see price falling further down as we do have price reversing, and I see price coming to test this area again for support. You might have a double top, then price moves away again, but I do see price reversing on gold. But as you can see, that is how I analyze gold in most of my trades and most of the market. That is how I analyze. I normally start off on a higher time frame, normally one that identifies or shows me like structure, like I like to go to a certain time frame. I don't always go up to the weekly, but I just go up to the weekly for some pairs, because some pairs you don't actually see the market structure, in market. You don't see the structure at all, so it's for some pairs you're required to go to the daily, and for others you're required to go to the weekly. So that's what I'm just trying to say, like you have to go, some pairs will require you to go high and some pairs will require you to go lower. So but right now I just see price, because price is rejecting this area right here and this weekly resistance. As we can see that this was in fact also a double top on the weekly. Price reversed here. Look, price, this area pushed the price all the way down there, mate. So as we can see in this area right here, pushed price all the way up there. So these two are, this is a supply zone, this is a demand zone right here. So I should actually change to make those different colors, but it doesn't matter because I pointed them out. So as you can see, that is how I analyze gold. I just look for structure, and after I look at structure, I look at trend. After I look at trend, I look at my zones, and once I have my zones in place, I would know what to do when price is at an area. So that's for today. Peace out.